Good morning, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. It's 8 a.m. Sunday. We are going to tackle this room. Freddy is in the garage. And I'm going to tackle this area. She's in the room trying some clothes to decide which one she's going to keep or donate. She have a stand that Carlos is checking all the expire dates. This is like a hurricane. Todo lo que sea libros aparte, solamente cans and food. Her stash. The task for Freddy is to remove this stand, wood stand. He's separating everything that doesn't need or trash. He's gonna remove the stand, put it, and throw away the stand because it's old, and she wants that wooden stand in that corner.